Hi Kipsters! Today you are going to explain the text and draw inferences. In our next slide, we're going to have a visitor teacher teach us how to make inferences using our 4 thinking steps. But before we do that, we need to go over those thinking steps so that you know what you're looking for as she's doing her model. So everything that I do, I want to see you doing too, all right? So the first thing that we do when we make an inference, the first thing, let me see finger 1 up, the first thing we do is we ask ourselves, what do I want to figure out? What do I want to figure out? What is the question asking me? Or what questions do I have about the text? Our second step is to look for clues in the text. We are looking for text evidence that could help us answer that question, okay? So our first step, what do I want to figure out? Our second step, what clues do we have in the text that could help us answer our question? And our third step is to think about, what do I already know? What do I already know about this topic? So let's go over it again. First step, what do I want to figure out? Second step, look for clues in the text. Step 3, what do I already know about this topic? And our last and final step is we put all of these clues together and we make that inference. But when we make that inference, we need to make sure we back it up with text evidence and things that we already know, or our schema. So when you're watching Miss Martins, I want you to look for those 4 steps. And I want you to write down if you see her do those 4 steps. Did she ask herself, what do I want to figure out? Did she look for clues in the text? Did she think about, what do I already know? And did she finally, with our 4th step, put it all together and make that inference and then back it up with text evidence and what she knows? If you see that, awesome. If you don't, make sure you're ready to share with the class what the things you saw her say, think, and do. All right, guys? Bye.